Of 50 US states, there are 7 states with no income tax. If you currently live in a state that takes a substantial cut of your pay for income tax, moving to one of these other 7 states may seem like a tempting option. That said, as the old saying goes, you get what you pay for. Make sure to check out this video before making your final decision. Pro-growth atmosphere. One of the main proponents for no income tax states is the ability to attract young employees who will promote growth. Since many young people carry serious amounts of student loan debt, the prospect of not having to give up another chunk of their pay can be enticing. Expect other taxes. Unfortunately, while states without an income tax may not take money out of your paycheck, they do collect taxes in other ways. For example, many states with lower income tax rates charge higher rates for sales taxes, gasoline taxes, or property taxes. These additional taxes can raise living costs above the savings gained from no sales tax. Which is better? One of the benefits of income taxes is that they're considered a progressive tax. This is because individuals who make more money pay a larger percentage of their wealth in taxes than people who make less money. In this way, the income tax is a major way to redistribute income. By contrast, sales taxes are considered regressive because consumers pay the same amount no matter how much money they make. With these tips in mind, you can choose if you want to live in a state with income tax. Whether you live in one of the states with no income tax or not, you'll still need pay stubs for reporting your income for federal tax purposes. Let's get you started and help you create your pay stub in minutes. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.